You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to limit your iPhone charging to 80% to help preserve long-term battery health. Open your Settings app and tap Battery. Then select Battery Health and Charging. On this screen, you will find an option called Charging Optimization. Tap on it. You will see three choices: Optimized, Battery charging, 80 limit, and none. Select 80 limit. With this setting enabled, your iPhone will learn your daily charging routine and will stop charging at approximately 80% when it predicts you will be connected to power for an extended time, like overnight. It will then finish charging to 100% just before you typically unplug it. This reduces the time your battery spends at full charge, which slows its chemical aging. You can still perform a full charge to 100% anytime by temporarily disabling the limit for situations where you need maximum battery. This feature is available on iPhone 15 models and newer, and some older models with newer iOS versions. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.